Hi guys, today I will show you guys how to record a fire beat like a fire beat. You understand? My last video I show you guys how to record a beat for free with your phone, but some people still don't understand, say the process is too long. So today I will break it down for you. I will show you the most easiest and quickest process to record a fire beat with just your phone. I don't want to waste much time. I don't want to waste your time. Just I want to make 3 minutes video now. I want to make. I don't want to waste anybody's time. You understand? So let's get to it. Okay. Yes, this is bandlap app. For people that don't know the app, this is the bandlap app. This is the free. It's a free platform. Bandlap free platform. I love it. I use it a lot. Yeah. Okay. You will touch this plus button. You take it to studio. You touch this open studio. Yes, open studio. Studio will open. Studio will show like this. What you gotta do next is to touch this low power. Yes, touch this low power. Just touch the low power. This is the fast and the free way to do it. My last video I show you the way. Some people don't understand. My problem with that. This one I need to understand. Some small people don't understand. So type Afrobeat. That's how this whiskey beat. So you observe. You come and check this whiskey. This beat too. Now it's too slow. I see do this one. If I clap. I can't continue. I want to prove something to you guys. Because I want to give you guys intelligence and wisdom. Not what I'm talking about. You get me? So, well, that's my piano beat. So first you start with bass. Okay, bass. Start with bass. Then touch beat. Then you have yes. Now be this is a main vocal. I know you don't follow. Clap. This is for clap. This is for clap. Press back. You put the clap. But if you want to record song, I'm not recording the song. If you want to record the song, you press this red button to start recording. After you have already understand this thing, once start recording, then you will start in the beginning. Then you press the bars before the beat, before the press. You will follow it like that, up, down. Let me get the beat. It's kind of dope. And so you to make fire beats very easy, simple. The bandlap app is for free, so you don't have to pay for anything. The beat is for free. My last video I show you guys how to record a beat. This is plenty Afrobeat package in one place in the bandlap same app, but some people don't understand. So this one is just few Afrobeat symbols. But watch my last video. Plenty Afrobeat package beats just dey there. This one I just few Afrobeat, but it's a fire beat, child. Put effect, you have intelligence, you have focus. You get. I dey teach you something, and you pay attention. You have talk. Yeah, subscribe, like my next video. Next video gonna be fire, bro. I will show you how to record everything, do everything. Fire. I want to teach you now how to be better producer. You want to use laptop on our phone. I dey teach me small for area. I dey teach them. Get right. So subscribe my next video, like, put intelligence, you get where. See you. Peace out.